red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for drum, let's play it all. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish, swimming in a crowd. G is for guitar, strum along. Let's keep learning with this song. A, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so fun you'll see. G to Z, we'll learn them all. Let's sing the alphabet, big and small. H is for hat, put it on your head. I is for ice cream, yummy and red. J is for jump up high in the air. K is for kite, flying everywhere. L is for lion, hear him roar. M is for moon shining on the shore. N is for nest where baby birds stay. Learning letters is fun this way. O, B, C, come sing with me. D, E, F, so fun you'll see. G to Z, we'll learn them all. Let's sing the alphabet, big and small. For octopus swimming in the sea. P is for panda climbing up a tree. Q is for queen wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, colors all around. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging all night. U is for umbrella keeping us dry. V is for violin, play it on the sky. So W is for whale splashing with glee. X is for xylophone, play with me. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, stripes all around. Now A, B, C, we've learned them all. Big and small, short and tall. Now we know our ABCs. Let's clap our hands and sing with glee. Thanks for singing with us.